Today I was walking, but something was making a noise every time I took a step. Where is that sound coming from? I kept walking and the sound wouldn't stop. I'm sure I'm gonna freak out.
It's probably your shoes making that noise, Tade.
You're right, Duckling. I took off both my shoes right away and now they surely won't make a sound. I kept walking, but it's still making a really loud noise. So it wasn't the shoes? I squished the little duck for lying and went to look for help. I arrived where Blue Tade was sitting on the couch. Why are you making so much noise when you walk? I don't know. You tell me. It's probably your keys making that noise, Tade. I hadn't thought of that. I put my hands in my pocket and took out my keys, which only have a few keychains. I kept walking, but it was still making noise. I'm about to lose my mind! I got to the bathroom to look for more help, and Red Tade was in the bathtub. Help me stop making noise, Red Tade, please. But he didn't answer. I reached out my hand to touch his neck, and I think he's not breathing. But I remembered that he had eaten a squishy in a different way. That's definitely what's making the noise. I took it out, and it makes the same noise when you squeeze it hard. But I left the bathroom to go outside, and now it's even louder out here. I took off my socks to see if it was because of the soles of my feet, but when I walked, it was still making noise. I can't do anything else to stop this freaky sound anymore. Then a duckling woke me up. What are you doing?
They have been deceiving you, Tade.
Who?
Every time you were walking around everywhere, Red Tade was right behind you, squeezing the rubber duck to make noise.
Like this if you want a duckling like this one.